everyone! Today we're going to draw a strawberry. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my strawberry stem. And then from here, we're going to draw the top of our strawberry. It's almost like the strawberry has a little tuft of hair. Now I'm gonna draw the body of my strawberry, and so it's gonna go around to a point almost like it's a little face. So I'm gonna start probably about here. I'm gonna draw my strawberry nice and wide at the top. And then curve it down and around. Same with the other side. Down and around. We're gonna color it in, so it's okay if you make a couple of mistakes. I make plenty of mistakes. There we go. I just want to get the shape of it. There it is. Okay. Now from here, we're gonna draw our strawberry's eyes, and I'm gonna make some nice big googly eyes for our strawberries. So we're gonna do one big round circle here, and then another big round circle here. Now to make them googly eyes, we're gonna draw one big circle in the top right corner of each eye, and then a smaller circle, the bottom left corner. I'm gonna draw a nice, cute, happy smile for my strawberry. And now we're gonna go ahead and draw our strawberry in. We're gonna go ahead and start with the top of our strawberry. I'm going to color it in this nice deep green. We're gonna go ahead and speed up the coloring portion, so if you feel like you need to pause, go ahead and do so. Next, I'm going to color the body of my strawberry, and I'm gonna use red. Okay, now I'm going to take a thicker black marker, and I'm gonna color in the eyes and then just clean up my outlines a little bit. Then for our finishing touch, we are going to go ahead and use the black marker to draw in some little strawberry seeds. So with this, you can draw in as many as you'd like. They just need to look like kind of just little teardrops, even though our strawberry is very happy. You can draw as many as you'd like. And there you have it. We have a happy little strawberry. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.